This presentation will discuss the procedures of crime scene processing. Upon arrival at the crime scene, protection of the crime scene, markings, photographs, collection of physical evidence, and release of the crime scene. Importance of crime scene processing. By conducting a systematic examination of these areas, crime scene investigators uncover the physical evidence to help identify what happened and who was involved. This process must be conducted carefully and thoroughly to ensure that crucial evidence is collected. The first responder checks victim's condition, survey the scene, and take notes about gathered information. First responder shall be responsible for the control of the crime scene. The first responder informs the SOCO team to investigate further. Arrival of the SOCO team. Scene of the crime operation team. It is the forensic evidence response team engaged in the evidence collection process. They are the only persons allowed to enter the crime scene to prevent destruction, alteration, or contamination of evidence. The SOCO team is composed of team leader, photographer, sketcher or recorder, evidence collector, evidence custodian, medico-legal officer, and fingerprint examiner. The team leader coordinates with the first responder. The team leader is also responsible for recording and taking notes of the time and date of the arrival at the crime scene, condition of weather, directions of the wind, and writing down information gathered from the first responder. The team leader approaches the victim and conducts a walkthrough at the crime scene. The team leader conducts a briefing of the whole team. The SOCO team protects the area by cordoning of the crime scene. Note: the purpose of the cordon is to provide a highly visible barrier and protect the scene against potential damage and contamination. Before entering the crime scene, the photographer photographs the whole crime scene for the general view. Proceed to the crime scene search. While searching, the team put markings beside the evidence found and the photographer photographs it. The team also searches outside the cordon area to look for possible evidence. Note: the letter is for the cadaver and the numbers are for the physical evidence. Case number, date, and time are also indicated. There is crime scene photographer photographs the whole crime scene and the physical evidence they have found in general view, mid-range view, and close-up view. The sketcher measures the cadaver from the point of origin, which is non-movable object. He also measures the distance of the physical evidence from the cadaver. The sketcher is also responsible to sketch the rough sketch collection of evidence. The evidence collector collects the physical evidence and puts it in a sealed container. Before collecting the firearm used, make sure that it is unloaded and safe. The blood samples shall be swabbed using a cotton buds and put it in a sealed container. The collected evidence such as bullets should not be put together in one sealed container because there are instances that it can tamper. The fingerprint examiner collects the fingerprint of the victim. Reminder: in taking the rolled impression, technician should place first the right thumb to be rolled towards the body of the subject while the other fingers not in use is either folded or closes. Finally, the SOCA team releases the crime scene to the owner of vicinity.